Hi everyone, Shri Rajiv Gandhi IAS Academy. This is Jessica. Today's topic is SSC CGL Simplification. So before entering into simplification topic, we have to know BODMAS rule. So these kind of simplification sum repeatedly asking in all exams. Maximum 1 mark or 2 mark questions is asking. So here first of all BODMAS rule, BODMAS. So what is meant by B? B is nothing but it is bracket. So listen carefully, it is bracket. Next O. O means nothing but it is off. Off means just multiply, that is multiplication symbol. Next D. D means it is division. M means multiplication. We all will know that. A means addition and S means subtraction. So this is the concept here. So without knowing this BODMAS rule, we can't able to solve the simplification sum. So BODMAS rule is very important for solving the simplifications. Now let's directly enter into the simplification sums. The first sum is, here this is the first sum. First what we have to do means, we have to say this one and we have to check whether the BODMAS rules is follows. If the bracket is here, no. So then after the bracket it having a division symbol. So first cancel this one. So 24 plus 2 into, so division here 8 divided by 2 is 4 minus 1. The next step according to the BODMAS rule is multiplication. So 2 into 4. So here 24 plus 2 into 4 is 8 minus 1. The next step is addition. So here 24 plus 8 is 32 minus 1. Finally, we have to do the subtraction. So 32 minus 1 is 31. So 31 is the correct answer here. Now let's see second sum. So here very simple sum and repeatedly asking sum. Very important one. Here off. Off means already we saw that is it is multiplication. So 770 divided by 11 into 7. Next step 770 division. 11 into 7 is 77. Here we have to do the division. So 770 divided by 77. So after the cancellation we got 10. So finally 10 is the correct answer here. Next sum. This one. Here we having the improper fraction. So we have to convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction. So first what we have to do means 2 into 5 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 divided by 2 plus 3 divided by 4 off means into 8 divided by 9. So here we have to do the cancellation process. So 3 ones are 3 threes are 4 ones are 4 twos are. The next step is 11 divided by 2 plus 2 divided by 3 here. Here the denominators are different and the numerators are also different. So we have to take the LCM method. So here denominator and numerators are different means we have to take the cross multiplication here. So cross multiplication means here we have to multiply by 3, here we have to multiply by 2. So 11 into 3 is 33. Here divided by 6, that is the LCM. 2 into 2 is 4. Finally we have to add this. 33 plus 4 is 37 divided by 6. Finally this is the correct answer here. The next sum is, as usual the same process. Here also the improper fraction we have to convert it as proper fraction and we have to remove the bracket first according to the BODMAS rule. So first 3 into 1 3, 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 3 bracket into 8 divided by 15. So first we have to remove the bracket. So here denominators are same. So just we have to add the numbers. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 divided by 3 into 8 divided by 15. If any cancellation is here, nothing cancellation. Here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Then 2 8s are 16 divided by 15. So this is the correct answer here also. Next, these are all the sample sums. Next, we enter into some of the basic part 2 difficulty sums. As usual, the same one here. This is also simplification. Here, more than brackets are available in this simplification. This is also very important one. So first, brackets means, first of all, this is a small bracket. So we have to release this bracket. Next this bracket. Next this one. So according to this rules, we have to release the brackets. Small, next one, next one. So here, this is the small one. So we have to release this one. So 2 minus bracket of 2 minus bracket of 2 minus 2. Here inside the bracket 2 plus 2 is 4. So bracket of 4. Again bracket, bracket, bracket. So first of all 2 minus bracket of 2 minus bracket of 2 minus. Here the bracket 2 into 4 is 8. So bracket, bracket. Next we have to release this bracket. So 2 minus bracket of 2 minus 8 is bracket of minus 6. According to the big number, we have to put minus here. So minus 6. Next step, we have to release this bracket. So what we have to do means 2 minus bracket of 2 plus minus into minus plus 6. Now we have to release the big bracket. So 2 minus 2 plus 6, that is minus 8. Finally 2 minus 8 is minus 6. So this is the correct answer here. So these are all the bracket sums. Okay. The next sum, here also the same bracket sum. All the brackets are come without plus and minus symbol, only multiplication. So what we have to do means 5 into 4 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 3 into 4. We have to do the cancellation process. So 4 and 4 get cancelled, 2 and 2 get cancelled here. Remaining we have to do the multiplication. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So here 15 is the correct answer. This is also very important sum. Next one, so many brackets are there. So here the bar symbol is also given. So what is meant by the bar symbol? First we have to release this bar symbol. Okay. So inside the bracket we having 8 minus 5, that is bar. So 18 minus bracket of 5 minus bracket of 6 plus 2 bracket of 7 minus 8 minus 5, that is bar inside 3 bracket of bracket bracket. So first we have to release the small bracket here. So 18 minus bracket of 5 minus bracket of 6 plus 2 bracket of 4. So here we have to put 4 bracket bracket. Next we have to release this bracket. So 18 minus bracket of 5 minus 6 plus 2, 2 into 4, that is plus 8. So this bracket is get released. Again we have to release this bracket. So 18 minus bracket of 5 minus, here 6 plus 8 is bracket of 14. The next step we have to release this one. So 18 minus bracket of 5 minus 14. We have to put here minus 14. So bracket of 5 minus 14. Next we have to release the final bracket here. 18 minus 5 minus 14, that is bracket of minus 9. Okay. Next we have to do 18 minus into minus plus 9. So 18 plus 9 is 27. So 27 is the perfect answer here. The next sum. Here also we having so many numbers with fractions inside the bracket. So what we have to do is we have to release the brackets first of all. So this is a small bracket. We have to multiply the numbers here. So 5 divided by 12. So this bracket is released. Plus 3 divided by 5 divided by this bracket. Here the denominators are different. So we have to cross multiplication, this LCM rules. So here we have to multiply 4. Here we have to multiply 2. So 4 divided by 2. 4 minus 2 divided by 8. This is LCM here. The next sum is 5 divided by 12 plus bracket of 3 divided by 5 divided 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by 8. So the next step we have to release this big bracket. What we have to do means here we are having division symbol. So if the division symbol comes means what we have to do, listen carefully here. 5 divided by 12 bracket of 3 divided by 5 If the division symbol comes means we have to change into the multiplication means we have to cancel this one. So the cancellation here we having 1 divided by 4. The next step, listen carefully here. 5 divided by 12 plus bracket of 3 divided by 5. Here the divisible comes means we have to change into multiplication symbol and we have to change the denominator into numerator, numerator into denominator, that is 4 divided by 1. The next step we have to multiply inside the bracket numbers. So 5 divided by 12 plus here 3 into 4 is 12 divided by 5. Next we have to take the LCM because denominators are different numbers, so we have to do the cross multiplication here. So after doing the cross multiplication here, the final LCM is 16. Here we have to multiply 5, here we have to multiply 12. So 5 5s is 25 plus 12 into 12 are 144. Finally we have to add the numbers. 25 plus 144, 169 divided by 60. So this is the correct answer. So here the video is completed. Let's see in next video. Thank you.